Yeah! Hey there! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we are going to draw the most important thing in the whole solar system. Here are some hints. It's very bright. You can only see it during the daytime. Plants need it to grow. It's very hot. What do you think it is? Aha! We're going to draw the sun. So grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and let's go. Firstly, we are going to draw a big circle. Start in the middle of your paper and try to make it nice and round. To make it easier, take a cup or anything with a circular base and trace around it. This will help you get a perfect circle. Good job! Did you know that the sun is actually a star? It looks much bigger than the stars you see at night because it's the closest star to us. But it's still 93 million miles away. Other stars seem smaller because they're even further away than that. The sun shines very bright and its rays help it to do so. Let's draw some rays coming out of our sun. To start, draw a short, rounded triangle right on the top of your big circle. However, don't close the triangle. Leave it open at the bottom. This will be your first ray. We'll draw rays like this all around the outside of our sun. Now, right next to the first one, draw another short, rounded triangle and connect them. Keep drawing these all the way around the sun until you get back to the ray you started with. Try to keep them all the same size if you can, but it's okay if some are a little bigger than others. To make this easier, you can turn your paper as you draw. These are your rays. When you're done, it should look like a big zigzagged circle, which goes all the way around your sun. Scientists call rays the sun's corona because it looks like the sun is wearing a crown. Don't you agree? Remember, these rays are very bright and you should always protect yourself when you go outside on a sunny day. Always wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Drink plenty of water and stay in the shade when you can. Also, try to avoid going in the sun between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. as this is when the sun is the strongest. Now, let's give our sun a face. Our sun is gonna be a happy sun. First, let's give it a smile. Draw a curved line in the shape of a smile, right in the middle of the sun. Then, right above the sun's smile, let's draw the eyes. Add two smaller upside-down U shapes so it looks like the eyes are closed but smiling. Why is the sun so happy? It could be because it's a great source of renewable energy. This means that it's energy that we can use again and again. This energy is important because it will never run out. Did you know that we can make electricity from sunlight? There are only two colors we usually use to draw the sun: yellow and dark yellow. Firstly, we are going to use yellow to color the big circle part of our sun that you drew earlier. Then, we are going to color all of the rays a darker shade of yellow. If you only have one yellow, you can use orange for the rays. After all, plants need soil, rain, and sunlight in order to grow. So, you can use green, brown, and any other color you like to draw some grass, trees, and flowers growing thanks to the sunlight. Parents, your child did great! We'd love it if you share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingo Kids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingo Kids app.
That was fun!